In this week's court report, the Pahrump man arrested after allegedly kidnapping his ex-wife, taking her to the desert, beating her, threatening to kill her, and later keeping her confined to her home, all after he asked her to help him take care of a stray dog he found, now has a status hearing on October 6th after being ordered to Lakes Crossing by the court. Andrew Holmgren had his pretrial hearing on August 11th, at which time Holmgren appeared while in custody, and his public defender briefed the record, stating the defendant had conditionally waived on a separate case and was out of custody. There was also a psychological evaluation done by a private psychologist, which only did an evaluation for substance abuse. As a result, Judge Lane was not impressed with that evaluation and ordered Holmgren to Lakes Crossing. So Holmgren's case is now on hold until a thorough evaluation at Lakes Crossing can be completed. Therefore, Holmgren's preliminary hearing, which was scheduled for this Thursday, has now been vacated. Holmgren remains in custody on $615,000 cash or bond, charged with attempted murder, first-degree kidnapping, coercion, and abuse. Another local man who has been referred to as a habitual offender and was taken into custody at a residence in the 300 block of Irene after being caught on the run was recently in court yet again. Donald McFadden appeared regarding two of his cases, possession of a controlled substance and obstructing a public officer, while already in custody serving time for other violations. Attorney Eunette Gentry, who was representing McFadden for these matters, was seeking a dismissal because the defendant is already in prison for 10 to 25 years. Attorney Gentry also noted that McFadden said he doesn't want to accept any offers because he doesn't want to waive his right to appeal. McFadden is connected to numerous cases in both Justice Court and District Court for drug charges and other offenses. The 34-year-old had been at large for several months and had several warrants for failing to appear in court. McFadden now has a preliminary hearing in Justice Court on October 6th. The woman and man facing various charges connected to the attempted murder of an elderly woman will appear before a judge again Thursday. Lila, Mabel, Ashmore, and David Metcalfe were arrested separately in connection to a stabbing at a residence on North Barney Street. Police say Ashmore was present during the attack and lied to investigators to cover up the crimes committed by Metcalfe. Both Ashmore and Metcalfe had their formal arraignment last month and had their pretrial on August 3rd, during which Ashmore's attorney said an offer had been made to her by the state but was rejected by the defendant. Both defendants remain in custody and will appear in court August 25th for their preliminary hearing. A local woman accused of burglary and petty larceny has now pleaded guilty as part of a plea deal and is out on OR. Chelsea E. Nicholson obtained money under false pretenses and must now pay $115 to Super Pawn and stay out of trouble for 1 year after getting 86.5 days of jail time suspended for each count. Nicholson was given 30 days to pay restitution. Her follow-up status hearing is on August 31st. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.